Welcome to the deep dive into some of the most powerful data mining and analysis tools available today. That is, we are going to talk about four important data mining and analysis tools. Each of these tools offers unique capabilities and benefits, making them invaluable resources for researchers across various fields. Whether you are dealing with a big data, conducting complex statistical analysis, or building predictive models, these tools have something to offer. So this will be useful for those who are doing the research, who are trying to find some insights from the data. You might be a student, you might be a professor, you may be from a different background, not other than the computer science. These tools offer a graphical user interface, that is a friendly graphical user interface that anybody who wants to explore the data can be used. So first, we will explore the rapid miner. So before we proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, Gomes Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and subscribe now. Why should you subscribe? You have lot of playlists which will be useful for you. So if you are a student or a professor or you are a researcher, please go and check the Skill Up playlist, because here I'll be uploading about the internship opportunities, job opportunities, free courses, everything to skill up yourself. And this is for the research. If you're doing your research, you must watch this playlist. And of course, I have talked about the tools which you can use it. That is a GUI tool which everyone can use it to deal with the data. That is a Rattle, GraphPad, Prism. You can find Minitab, you can find the Tableau, you can find Power BI. So lot Wacom. So don't forget to do that. So let us talk about the very first tool called Rapid Miner. Okay, so Rapid Miner is a effective tool that you can use it. Okay, so this will address a complex problems like accessing our data from the various sources, semi-structured format like PDF, spreadsheets, and the text files. The raw data often lacks cleanliness and accuracy. Which really needs transformation process for its use in a machine learning projects. So Rapid Miner is a solution for that. So you can find Rapid Miner here, you can download it and make use of it. So you can browse the product, try for that, and you can make use of it. I have already uploaded a video on how to download and install Rapid Miner. Please go and watch that. And this is my TopMed account. If you have any queries related to your research, related to your certification, like what to do next, your career readiness, like resume review call, like if you want me to review your resume, you can just connect with me. The link is in the description, so don't forget to watch that. So the next exciting tool is what Orange. Okay, the word, like the name itself is really giving us a different perspective. So Orange Data Mining Tool is a versatile tool designed to assist researchers across different fields through its extensions and add-ons. These add-ons can perform a variety of tasks, including natural language processing and text mining, network analysis, association rule mining, addressing fairness in machine learning, specialized data handling, everything. So the researchers can leverage these tools, this particular Orange tool, depending on their specific task. So you can just go and click here. You can see the download. Okay, so you can see how Orange data mining looks like. So it is completely like a drag and drop. Okay, so this one is like you have to drag this particular workflow from the availability. It's like a data set. You have to configure the data, and then what you have to do that, and then you have to do the clustering, and then you have to do some statistical thing. Okay, so this is a visual programming, and it's an interactive data visualization. Everything is like drag and drop. That the thing is, you have to just configure. Okay, so here you can see how Orange data mining looks like. So if you want to analyze the image, network, geo, educational related data, educational related extensions, and everything. So even if you want me to give you some tutorials or create a videos on Orange data mining, please just let me know. I can create it. So you have a YouTube tutorials to start with, example workflows. You can just go and explore. So you can find the complete thing here. And as of my knowledge, like Orange data mining is a free source. Okay, there is no pricing for Orange data mining. You can simply download and make use of it, and it's completely a drag and drop interface. Okay, you don't want to go and write any code in this program, in this particular tool, and this is free for everyone. Anybody who wants to explore Orange can download and make use of it. So this is my ebook store. If so, I have already uploaded the manual for Tableau. So if you are a student or if you are a professor who wants to learn Tableau, you can use this. The link is in the description. You can find it. I have also uploaded the interview questions and answers and many more. I'll be uploading it soon. If you want to see any other manuals or interview questions here, you can comment that in the comment section. So the next is what the K9. Okay, so the K9 is another exciting tool. Okay, so this is actually um, offers like cloud native architecture. So K9 is also a interactive tool. Okay, so it is a cloud native infrastructure, supports large scale data analysis, which is crucial for researchers dealing with a big data or requiring significant computational resources. So it benefits researchers with the scalability, accessibility, and collaboration, innovation, and experimentation. So just if you if you just scroll down, like you can see how K9 is really working. So it supports model and visualization, deploy and monitor, consume and interact, and blend and transform. Even KNM is completely a drag and drop, like a workflow. Okay, so you can do business. Even if you are a business domain expert, if you want to become a data expert, you can do all these things. End user, you can just connect the flows without any code and you can use it. So this is what completely about the KNM. So simple thing is you can just simply download it and make use of it. Okay, so just click, it will be downloaded. You can start exploring the KNM. So here you have to enter the details. I have also uploaded the video on how to download and install K9 in my playlist. So in my channel you can find a specific playlist called installation. Okay, software installation. This one you can see, this is software installation. So here you can find all the software installations. Okay, so you have to give your basic details and then it's good to go. You can just simply download your K9 and it's completely about like connections. You don't want to worry about you don't want to worry about anything like coding, and you can see it's free. You can use it forever. There is no trial versions. You can simply use it. Okay, and the final one is all about the Rattle. Okay, Rattle is a tool. Rattle is actually a part of R package, which is available inside R. Okay, so it is like a graphical user interface. If you want to use this, you need R to be installed. Okay, um, it's a comprehensive data mining operations which supports a wide range of data mining tasks such as statistics, visual summaries of data, data transformations, and everything. So all operations performed through GUI are captured as an R script. Like you don't want to go and type the R script. The only thing is you have to download R, and then inside R you have to install Rattle. Okay, so Rattle will be launched like a GUI. Then after that, everything you're going to just drag and drop it and do it. You have to just select and configure it. So what happens here is whatever you're doing, that will be converted into an R script automatically. So you can use it. Ease of use, that is, the interface is designed to help the researchers and the users, especially those who are new to data mining, learn and apply the data mining techniques without the steep learning curve associated with the coding. So it also provides a versatile data type. It handles versatile data types, and also it's a being an open source. You don't want to pay anything. Okay, so it's an open source. You can directly make use of it. Okay, so here you can see I have also uploaded the complete instructions on what is R and Rattle and how to install R. Okay, here you can find the complete thing, like you have to install R. Okay, and you can see like how to use R, like basic calculate, like once if you launch R, how it will be like. You can simply use the package, explore the tab, you can use the test and transformation, clustering, and that rattle, everything you can use it here. Okay, I have also included a Veka tutorial. Veka is an another useful data mining tool which will be useful for everyone. Okay, as of now, I find these four tools like Rapid Miner, Orange, Knime, and Rattle to be well established tools, and top four tools I usually prefer. And also, I have used Veka during my PhD. I have explored a lot and lot of tools in order to do my research, where I found Veka. There will be a lot of Java packages available. You can use the packages and use it, or else you can even directly use the Veka in order to do some data mining stuff. So this two playlists are available in my channel. Don't forget to see that. Okay, so I hope you got some information out of this particular video. If you find this useful, please share it with your friends so that they will also understand like what are the tools are there. Okay, so Rapid Miner, Orange, Knm, and Rattle each offer powerful features that cater to the diverse needs of the research community. Rapid Miner excels in automated data preparation and advanced predictive analytics, making it ideal for complex data projects. Orange allows researchers to experiment with data analysis and machine learning through an interactive visual interface, making it accessible to both novice and experienced user. Knime stands out with its scalable cloud native architecture, enabling researchers to perform comprehensive data integration, processing, and modeling. And finally, Rattle provides a straightforward GUI based approach to R programming, democratizing data mining for users who prefer more visual method of analysis. By leveraging these tools, researchers can significantly enhance their data analysis capabilities, leading to more precise results and innovative solutions to the complex problem. So, whether you are a data scientist, a student, or a professional researcher, incorporating these tools into your workflow can help you harness the full potential of your data. With this, I'm just ending this video. If you have any queries, just leave the comment. I'll be happy to help you. And don't forget to check the description. You will find a lot of useful links over there. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.